Okay, I'm going to show you how to do a slip knot. Let's see here. Just wrap it around. Oops. Get it to stay first. Wrap it around. Pull this one over. Pull it through. See that? Do it again. Wrap it around your finger. Pull this one over. This one up from underneath. There you have it. Do it again. Around the finger. This over. That under. Pull out. Put your hook on it. Tighten it up a little. Not too tight. You're ready to start crocheting a chain. If you're going to do something in the flat or the square, this is the first thing you need to do. Let me show you another way to do it. The way I used to do it before I learned better. I used to do it around 2 fingers and go through here and pull. It's the same exact knot. This one takes a little more yarn, but it's the same thing. So however you get it accomplished, you just need to get it accomplished. The 2 fingers method. Go through here, find the one in the back, pull. Or the finger method. The finger method is quicker. There you go. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do a chain. Let's say that you already have your slip knot completed. There it is right there. The hook is inserted. Okay, that's your tail end. Don't need that right now. What you need is the working end. If I can get it back here right. Okay, there it is. You're going to bring this over and underneath the head, the throat, the head. I'm going to grab right here and pull through. See that? Going to make another one. Pull through. Pull through. Underneath the head, pull through the previously made loop, and you're chaining. And in order to do something in the square or in the flat, you're going to have to know how to chain. And also the chain stitch can be added to projects as an ending or part of a border. So it's quite a handy stitch to have. There you have it. Underneath the head's going to hold it and pull through.